So we breathe into this moment as we bring our hearts into meditation. We close our eyes and we open that internal landscape. And we just let ourselves feel the fullness of this moment. Feeling the wholeness within the wholeness that is existent in all life. And knowing we are one with all life. It is never ours to carry a burden. It is never ours to live in limitation. We are the emanation of light. We are life unfolding, life living itself. So with a deep inhale and exhale, we allow that knowing to be grounded within our being, so it may guide us, it may lift us, it may direct us. We may live according to our wholeness with radical acceptance and deep compassion. And so it is.